The Galaxy J4 Plus, an 11,000 rupee phone from Samsung with a glass build. Now, is this worth your time? What is Samsung actually offering? Well, let's get to it. Hey guys, Ash here from C4 Tech and let's get started. If you do end up liking what you see, please turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon, and in case you missed it, here's a card to a monthly giveaway. Now here's the box the J4 Plus comes in. Let's remove the plastic covering, get through those stickers and open up the box itself. Inside, the first thing we find is the J4 Plus. Removing the plastic, let's set it aside for the moment. We then have a SIM ejector tool, the regular booklets, a pair of earphones, a micro USB cable and a 5-watt charger. Now let's get back to the J4 Plus. The best thing about this phone is its build. It's got 2.5D glass to the front and back, Asahi Dragon Trail glass to be precise. It's sleek at 7.9mm, the sides are plastic but you can't really complain at this price point. The phone does feel well built. The 178 gram weight is spread evenly and the phone feels solid in hand and not bulky. The display is another bright point. Now wait, Ash, didn't you just call this display a con with the J6 Plus? Yes, I did. At 17,000 rupees, replacing AMOLED with LCD is not a good change in my opinion. But at 11K, a 6-inch LCD panel with the HD Plus resolution is not bad, especially when the quality is as good as Samsung's offering here. And surprisingly, Samsung's even thrown in an auto brightness sensor, so can't really complain, can we? Now, the specs, we've got the same Snapdragon 425 as we've seen on the J6 Plus here on the J4 Plus too. It's a 2-year-old quad-core chip from Qualcomm. The software is still Samsung Experience 9.5 built on top of Android 8.1 Oreo, and the experience is not great. There's quite a bit of stutter and 2 gigs of RAM feels too low for 2018 even on a phone priced at 11,000 rupees. Given the lag with regular usage, gaming is out of the question. Now to wrap up specs, we've got 32 gigs of onboard storage and an option to expand further via microSD. The battery capacity happens to be 3300 mAh just like on the J6 Plus. Now the performance issues are felt a lot in the camera app. The shutter speed, especially for the selfie camera, is very slow. The selfie camera itself is a 5-megapixel f2.2 shooter and it is nothing to write home about. With the rear camera, which happens to be a 13-megapixel f1.9, the pictures themselves aren't bad, the quality is okay-ish, but the fact that the app keeps stuttering and the autofocus is painfully slow leads to a lot of blurry images like this. Overall, the experience isn't great. Talking about software, there's support for face unlock and that works well. It is very important since this phone lacks a fingerprint scanner. And the sensor list is also woefully short. So while the build is good, the display acceptable for the price segment, the performance or the lack thereof leads to the J4 Plus being very underwhelming. I'd suggest you stay away from this one unless looks are all you care about, looks and brand name. I know this has been a short video, but honestly there's not much for me to say, so I'm gonna wrap here. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on what you felt about the video, not the phone. Again, I need to reiterate that. Subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our daily content. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4 Tech and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.